Jobman software is packed with features and functionality designed to simplify job management. Your Jobman software may come preloaded with sample data. This is intended as a guide and can be modified to suit your industry or used as a point of reference when creating your own. To configure and customize your settings, select Jobs from the Settings tab on the User menu panel. Alerts are the ability for the team to communicate important information related to a job. Alert statuses is used to track the progress and show which stage the alert is at. Alert types are the templates for the creation and automation of all job alerts. Templates can also be customized to capture information based on the alert type. Job details is additional information and will be visible in the Info tab. If this is information that must be captured for each job, use the checkbox and make it a required field. Member types are typically internal and provides the option to categorize members when adding them to a job. Simply click on Create to add a new type, or click Update to make changes to an existing type. Operations are the steps required in the workflow process and are linked to labor centers. Each step may contain a series of tasks for completion, and these tasks are linked to an operation. The status is used to track the job's progress and is an indicator of which stage the job is at. Statuses should also be set for each stage of the job, as this will also be used to set the steps on the job workflow. Job types are used to categorize the job and allow for the streamlining of the work process with workflows that are customized for different job types. Adding a new job type is as simple as clicking Create and adding the name. Remember, help is always just a click away on the User menu panel. Simply type your question to search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.